Ooh. What's up, YouTube and my fellow clients? Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new here, my name is Hayes. I'm a veterinarian and a sneakerhead, hence TheShoeVet. Today's specimen for dissection is going to be a real crazy one. Really in love with this shoe. Took a little minute to get here though. I have some other things to get out first too as well, but now we're here. Today I'm going to be answering if you did miss out on the shoe, are you really missing out? Should you pay the resale? Things like that. Following standard protocol though, I do have to give a proper introduction for today's specimen for dissection. So allow me to bring out the Aime Leon Dore New Balance 827 Absorbz. Now, these shoes did drop on March 13, 2020 for a retail price of $150. The primary drop was on Aime Leon Dore's website. They did a raffle, which apparently had a lot of stock because a lot of you guys got W's, as well as a first come, first serve. Me, your boy, per usual, got, those solid L's, but, it is what it is. I'm used to it, and I ain't mad, just used to it. Anyways though, it also dropped on a couple other boutiques, things like Kib, Essence, things like that too as well, and it's primarily in that yellow colorway. Speaking of which, it's a good segue to let you guys know that this shoe did drop in 3 colorways. We have the white colorway that we're reviewing here today. It came in a yellow that was the most abundant, as well as a more coveted and I guess more rare, if you will, red color. This shoe was part of Aime Leon Dore's Run Into Never Normal campaign, which I think they knocked out of the park, just like they did with the Life in the Balance campaign. I'm still hopefully waiting to get one of the 990 V2s or the V5s in a good price, because right now they're looking both kind of iffy. I probably say it's probably going to be a V5 though, because those V2s, probably not going to happen. But currently right now, resale prices are currently going 1.5 to about 2 times retail, which is so bad. Hopefully it's not going to spike up like the Life in the Balance collaborations did, but who knows. I would recommend copying sooner or later though. With the introduction and logistics out the way, I think it is time to head over and jump into today's dissection. So if you guys know me, I do like a good presentation, including the box. So we're starting out with that. It's a 2-piece cardboard box, meaning that the top does completely come off. The top of the box is in a creamy white color with some co-branding on the top. You have New Balance and Aime Leon Dore right underneath it. The bottom part of the box is primarily a navy blue, have some more co-branding on it, New Balance, Aime Leon Dore, as well as a sizing tag. I got mine in a size 9, which is a half size down from my true to size. Opening up the box, you have a really good detail that I like. The tissue paper comes in that normal tissue paper material, but I really do like and appreciate the kind of color graffiti style writing on the tissue paper. I think it really sets a tone for this whole collaboration and vibe, and it really just fits well with everything. Inside the box, you're given 2 accessories, 2 extra sets of laces. They're both tubular cotton pairs of laces. One is kind of like in a creamy off-white color. The other one is in a crispy white polar bear color, but does have some speckling of colors that kind of match up with the shoes. Segueing into that, now we bring out the actual shoes. Okay, so now on initial look at this shoe, this shoe is very sleek, very slim, very sporty. You can kind of get some dad shoes vibes from this. They're not really too chunky though. These are running shoes at the end of the day, but I can kind of see how you get some vibes from that. This shoe is a multi-texture shoe, meaning that it is comprised of different materials, primarily a mesh, also a suede, and a nylon. The dominant material of this shoe is in a breathable mesh material in a polar bear white color. At the top of your tongue, you do have New Balance 827 that's embroidered in. Halfway down your tongue, moving cranially towards your toe box, you do have a strip of nylon material that's in green that also has a strip of 3M material running vertically down it. Moving more cranial from that, you do have a little patch with an N embroidered in red. I'm assuming the N for New Balance. All over the shoe, you do have strips of a very, very soft, short hair suede. This suede does line the eyelets as well as arc across the midfoot of the upper, both medially and laterally. Wraps around your toe box and mudguard, and then finally arcs around your heel and Achilles. Mixed in throughout these suede strips, you do have multifocal hits of reflective 3M nylon material, primarily on those arcs. You also have some hits of that 3M material on the toe box as well. Kind of weaving in and out of these suede strips, you do have some strips of nylon that are half navy blue and half baby blue. There is some gray stitching that is in between both of these blues. I want to say they're 3M, but I haven't really been able to get it in the right light to really see it. If you guys see it though, I mean, well, you know, there's your answer, but I want to say they're not. Both medially and laterally on the midfoot portion of the upper, you do have a large N logo that's in a gray suede material and it's outlined in blue. Where this shoe really gets the Aime Leon Dore treatment is the assortment of colors, especially on these lace eyelets. You see you have a mixture of primarily your primary colors, so your red, your blue, and your yellow. But you also have like some green and I think like a navy blue, a real dark navy blue. Each color is symmetrical to each other, meaning that the yellow is across from the yellow, the green is across from the green, so on and so forth. Each of the lace eyelets does have a strip of 3M reflective material that this time in a horizontal orientation in respect to the shoe. Speckled in the suede strips, primarily on the mudguard and towards the heel part, you do have a focal hit of red on each side as well as a yellow. Towards the caudal part or back part of the shoe, you do have another focal hit of yellow. Just above that, you do have a yellow pull tab with a reflective 3M strip in a vertical alignment. Moving on down to your midsole, we kind of quiet down as far as the colors and everything goes. It's all, you know, white color with some Absorbz cushioning technology, which is basically kind of a mix of foam and rubber. Moving on down to your outsole though, we do kind of pick up again with the assortment of colors. You do have a primarily rubber outsole and a red, black, and gold. In the middle of the outsole, you are given a green TPU stability web unit. You do have some New Balance branding in the gold part of the outsole as well. Moving on to the inside of the shoe, your sock liner is lined in a red color. The inside of the shoe is padded with a nice foam padding. You do have a removable insole that is primarily white. It does have some co-branding towards the heel of New Balance and Aime Leon Dore. And I think that's pretty much gonna do it for the dissection. Now, when I get into sizing, again, I sized half a size down, which I traditionally always do for my New Balance shoes. I like mine a little bit snug, so if you like it snug, I'd probably say you'd be safe going down half a size. But if you're on the fence or you have a big or wide foot, I'd say you'd be safe going true to size. As far as the looks for this shoe, I mean, looking on Pinterest, things like that, I see these shoes paired a lot of times with, you know, things like joggers, sweatpants, things like that. I think that's a really good look for this shoe. It looks very cozy, looks very wholesome in this shoe. Yes, yes, yes. Especially here on Easter Sunday when I'm recording this video. It looks very wholesome wearing this shoe in there. But then of course, I mean, you can definitely rock with some shorts. I haven't really seen too many fits with jeans. I assume it's gonna look okay in it, but I haven't really seen too many jean fits in it, but that's just me. As far as cushioning and everything like that goes, I mean, it's nothing to slap your mama about. You know, it's no Nike React, it's no Ultra Boost or anything like that, but it is real nice. I can walk on these, you know, all day and my feet not get tired. I mean, because it's a runner shoe, so it damn well better be, you know, comfortable at least to run in and walk in all day. But again, I wouldn't compare it to anything crazy like that though. If you keep that in mind, I think you'd be very pleased with this shoe. As far as my initial question that I asked at the beginning of this video, I mean, should you pull the trigger on this? I mean, it's kind of like, I mean, no shoe is worth going broke over or anything like that. If you were on the fence of buying this shoe for resale and you have the funds for it in consideration of the things we're going through now with the economy, I would honestly say pull the trigger. Obviously kind of pick and choose which color you think goes best with your, you know, outfits and everything like that. But yeah, I would say these shoes, are a good pickup. You know, it's unfortunate that we couldn't get it for retail, but I don't think resale, at least in my opinion, is too bad at this moment. And that could change in the future. Who knows? Because again, for example, you know, those 990 V2s right now, that's pretty much like out the question. If I can get the V5s for a good price, I'll be satisfied. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, I think these shoes will be a good pickup. So with that, I mean, these shoes, they do have my doctor's recommendation. Stamp it. Yeah, I think these are dope. Anyways though guys, that's gonna do it for today's review. If you guys enjoyed this video and any of my content, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of the next appointment. Also, please get this video to at least 50 likes. Each and every like kind of helps me out with the algorithm. My goal for this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, December 2020. I think that's a reasonable goal for this channel. So, you know, any and all help with that, definitely appreciate it. With that out the way, guys, I think the only thing left really is to get into the on-foot portion of this video. And I guys, hope you guys enjoy that. See you in the next video.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most Cialis flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, I came in. Did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with.